Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to turn off or turn on your touchpad on your Lenovo laptop. So first you have to read the user manual or decrypt the markings on your function keys, and in my case turning the touchpad on and off is the F11 key because it has the touchpad icon, and if I press the function key, I'll unzoom a little bit. If I press the function key, I press the F11, as you can see the touchpad has been disabled completely, and if I enable it back again, as you can see it works. And you can also enable or disable touchpad in the settings. If you type in touchpad settings, you will find them, and here you can toggle the touchpad manually through Windows. As you can see, it doesn't work, and now works back again. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.